Morning. Welcome to today's show. Seen some talk online about the tongue of the Thursday boot moving. So I've tried to fix it two different ways. So these are my Thursday boots. These ones I bought in 2021. And the sole just chipped the other day. I'm not really sure why. But we'll try to get them resoled. We'll take you on that journey when we do. So what I did with these, here I'll show you. Can you see that? Here I punched 4 holes right where the laces go through. Then I threaded them through. Now they don't move. So that's what I did with these ones. These were a half a size too big anyway, so I think that's why they move more. These are my new ones. They're a size 10. These are the burnt copper, which I really like the color. So here's what I did with them. See that thread? I just put a thread there. And I left it loose. And then I just, I don't think you can see it. Just tied it in the back. So when you tie it up, it can't really move. This one does move a little bit, but not enough that it comes off your foot. It used to slide right over, but now it can't. So that's what I've done to stop the Thursday boots tongue from sliding on me. If you guys have a better idea, well, that's great. Leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching today's quick video, and we'll see you next one. Remember to leave a comment that's helpful for others. Later.